Hi, I wanted to introduce to you the new carbon poles from Equipmart. We have the Aquaspray Carbon Pro 28 and the Aquaspray Carbon Pro 40. These carbon poles are super lightweight. They're made from 3K carbon fibre, which you can actually see the weave on here. It's a really pretty lightweight pole. So the Aquaspray Pro 28 is 192 centimetres long and it's folded down state. It's got 5 poles in the system and it extends to 7.2 metres in length. So that's going to give you a reach of 28 foot when it's fully extended. On the top of the unit is a 3-inch gooseneck, which you can twist the knob on the end there, and you can adjust the angle of the actual brush and lock it into place. At Equipmart, we like giving you value for money. So what we've done on the carbon poles is we've included the 3-inch gooseneck, and we've also included the 12-inch nylon brush. Those are included in the price together with the hozelock coupling that comes with it. The 40 has 6 poles in it, made from the same 3K carbon fibre weave. So again, very lightweight. It's just over 3 kilos in weight, and these are, I think, the 2.1 in length. On the base of the pole, on both poles, we have a foam handle. Now, basically that makes it nice and comfortable for using. So if you're using the pole for all day, it just means that your grip is nice and easy on the pole. So this is the double gooseneck. The way that it works is it's got a squeegee blade on one end and the brush goes on the other. So basically it'll replace that there. So you'll have a brush one side and you'll have a squeegee the other. That means that you can literally brush the window with one side and then twist the pole round and then squeegee it down afterwards to get rid of all the little raindrops. This is the 40, which is a 6-pole option, so slightly longer. It's got a 40-foot reach on this. When it's fully closed, it's 228 centimetres long, so you need to bear that in mind for your van. When it's fully extended, it's 10.8 metres in height, and again it's got the 3-inch adjustable gooseneck on the end, and again it comes with the 12-inch brush. We do several other accessories for these as well, so you can get a 60 centimetre brush, and we also do a gooseneck, a double gooseneck that you can get a squeegee on. Lightweight carbon fibre poles are really popular at the moment, obviously because of the weight, but mainly because the last thing you want to be doing is getting up a ladder 2-3 stories, even if it's a footed ladder, because it's just dangerous. If you fall over, fall off, that's it. You basically want your 2 feet planted firmly on the ground, and then you can use your carbon fibre pole nice and safely, clean the windows and get the job done in a safe environment.